Keyframe animation is an intuitive and flexible way to create animated 3D objects. However, it requires significant artistic and technical expertise and manual effort even for experienced users, and has a steep learning curve for novices. Existing pipelines rely on multiple tools and lead to tedious workflows to create animations with topological changes, which are common in sculpting animations. We provide a keyframe-based autocomplete system with sculpting brushes and manipulation operations to enable the artist to create sculpting animation from scratch. Now we go through the main features of our user interface. Once the user creates the first few frames, our system starts automatically suggesting the initial shape for a new frame, rendered in transparent yellow. As the user places free-form strokes to deform the shape, our system predicts the changes across frames. The suggestions are continuously updated in real time and visualized in yellow. Users can accept, partially accept, or ignore the suggestion. In addition to larger-scale free-form strokes, we also support small-scale detailed surface edit suggestions that adapt to the shapes across frames. Our system combines shape and motion manipulations within our standalone interface. It does not require external rigging and directly leverages the input brush strokes and manipulations. Users might perform similar brush edits across frames. When they start to edit one region within a single frame, our system can propagate the edits across multiple frames. Our system does not rely on the editing order, and the users can add strokes in any order across frames while still obtaining high-quality suggestions. Our system provides suggestions based on the user's preferences. For example, the user can select either symmetry or non-symmetry modes, and we provide different suggestions accordingly. Here we show the large-scale freeform suggestions in symmetry mode. To produce smoother animations, our system can also generate workflow-driven interpolations. Here the in-betweens are rendered in light purple. Brush strokes, suggestions, and propagations can adapt to different base shapes across frames. For example, we show dotted surface stroke suggestions. When the user starts to add details to one frame, our system propagates the edits to all the subsequent frames. The user can select source regions with the red strokes and clone them to different target regions across frames with the green strokes. The clone suggestions can adapt to different shapes across frames along with the targets. The user can make use of brushing and manipulation tools for continuous shape and motion refinements. Here is the final animation with continuous topological changes, spatial motion, large-scale deformation, and changes in surface details. Now we show more sessions produced with our system. Thank you.